Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So I'm doing something. I am hiding this, you can see by here. So guys, if you want to take the link of this app, you can take the link by here. Okay, and do not forget to like and subscribe my How to Learn. Okay, and if you want to get any educational videos, so you can comment by this channel and must subscribe the Noor Zainab official as well for education, clearing anything regarding the education. Okay, so if you want to download or install this app, so you have to click on title, the down of them by this video, and then you can do. Okay, so let's come. This is marks chat. If you want to hide, if you are going to public, so you can marks your chat, you can see by here. Okay, so this is marks chat hides WhatsApp chat. Suppose if I am going to public area and I am talking to someone else, so I can use this is very fantastic to use. I can hide by this. If I want to hide some apps, so I can hide by this as well. So this is very fantastic to use. And if I am going to read the chat of someone else, so I can, if I am going to in public area, so I can hide by here, and easily I can text by here, hi, whatever I want to do I can do by here, hi. And if I want to say WhatsApp, anything else, so if I want to read, just so I can read this, and if I want to hide, so I can hide more. Okay, so in the public area nobody can see, hello, nobody can see your chat. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to hide. So this is marks chat hide, and if you want to hide the video as well, so you can hide. Just you want to listen this, so you can listen. This is very fantastic to use. So let's come to the setting of this. So when you will click here, so you can get the themes by here. Okay, this is free of course, so you will get the ads, so you can apply this. This is very fantastic to use. Okay, so when you will use this, so this theme will come on that easily you can use. And if you want to hide the brightness as well, you can put the brightness as well. If you want to lower the brightness, so you can lower the brightness. If you want to apply the other themes, so you can apply, and you can easily use this. Okay guys, so this is very fantastic to use. So you can use this in this way, and you can hide anything you want to hide. Okay, so do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.